Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. To start, open the Google Chrome browser. Here, click on the menu and select Settings. After that, go to the Privacy and Security section. Here, click on Third-party cookies. After this, select the option See all site data and permissions. When you log in, search for Roblox and click on the trash icon. You must confirm the operation to delete all Roblox data from the browser. Now in the search box, enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. Here, open the temp folder, then select the Roblox folder and click Delete. After that, go to the local folder, select the Roblox folder and then click Delete. After you have done these steps, open Roblox in the browser. Select any game, and when you click on the play icon, click on Open URL and click on Download and install Roblox. When the file has been downloaded, click on it and you must wait for Roblox to be installed on your operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, right-click on the Roblox player shortcut and select Properties. Here you are going to go to the Compatibility tab. In it, check the box to run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click on Apply and OK. As you can see, it is now possible to open Roblox and play on it without any problem. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.